जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसपे रफ्तार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं वो पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about Great India, or we can say culturized India. Did you know that India used to be an island more than 100 billion years ago? About 50 million years ago, it collided with the Asian continent and thus was the born of Himalayas. Fascinating, isn't it? The name India is derived from the river Indus, the valleys around which were the homes of the early settlers. Today, with over 1 billion people from all kinds of religions and ethnicities, India is not only the second most populated country, but it is also has in store some mind-blowing facts and achievements under its belts. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "To other countries, I may go as a tourist, but to India, I come as a pilgrim." India never invaded any country in her last 1 lakh years of history and is best known for peacemaking around the country. India is best example for unity in diversity. 28 states, 8 union territories, 122 major languages, 1,599 minor languages, 6,400 castes, 6 religions, 6 ethnic groups, 29 major festivals, and 1 country. Be proud to be an Indian. Every city is different, people are different, and there are many different subcultures. It is a lot of fun discovering new things about them, even after living in India for many years. India has a tallest statue named as Statue of Unity, having height of 182 meters. Be proud to be an Indian. जहाँ एक न्यूज़पेपर वाला इंडिया का मिसाइल मैन बन सकता है, जहाँ एक चाय बेचने वाला इंडिया का पीएम बन सकता है. एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी, महात्मा गांधी, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, धीरूभाई अंबानी, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mother Teresa, Ratan Tata, Sundar Pichai, and many more are famous personalities who not only proved their existence in India but also proved whole world that Indians are always best in what they do. India, as the birthplace of yoga, is also known as the country of spirituality and transformation. Yoga is a way to learn and understand the spiritual India. Also, yoga is associated with the culture and heritage of India. In Sanskrit, yoga means to unite and describes a way to live a healthy life. In yoga, the mind is disciplined through meditation and the body is aligned and strengthened. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June, which was started by India but accepted by whole world. और जैसे कि आप सब जानते ही होंगे, लोगों की मन की बात पेट से होकर ही गुजरती है. अगर किसी को मनाना हो तो बस उनकी फेवरेट डिश बना दो और वो खुश हो जाएंगे. और इंडिया में तो पता नहीं कितनी तरह तरह की डिशेस है जो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. Nothing beats Indian food. Curries, pakoras, momos, samosas, dosas, naans, kebabs, paneer, and so much more. For a change, the vegetarians will not miss out on the delicious fun. The best part is how the taste of food changes from one part of the country to another. For instance, street food in Delhi is completely different as compared to Mumbai. इसीलिए ही तो कहा जाता है India is food lovers paradise. Then you go for mangoes. They are a gift of God. Taste one in India and you won't like them anywhere else. Mango is not just a fruit, it is a feelings in India. कुछ चीजें तो ऐसी है जिसके बिना दिन अच्छा नहीं जाता, जैसे कि सबकी फेवरेट चाय. India is land of mother of all the teas. Masala chai, which is available in every nook and corner. फिर आती है भारतीय संस्कृति, जो ज्यादातर अपने मंदिरों से जानी जाती है. Trust is an essential aspect which spawns admiration in human mentality for noble thoughts and go ahead to its recognition as their pathway or religious conviction. Starting from Rishikesh in the north direction to Kanyakumari in the south direction, lots of premises have been invented to clarify the survival of these sacred sites in large statics which overlay the path to escape or to heaven. Siddhivinayak Mandir, Temple of Lord Ganesha, Somnath Temple, Temple of Lord Shiva, Golden Temple, whole temple is made of gold. Venkateshwara Tirupati Balaji Temple, world's richest temple. Kashi Vishwanath Temple, highly popular Hindu temple devoted to Lord Shiva. These are some temples which are popularly known in India. यहाँ हर त्योहार की एक अलग ही खुशी होती है, एक अलग ही मजा होता है। जहाँ साल मकर संक्रांति के त्योहार से शुरू होता है और फिर लोहड़ी, पोंगल, होली, ईद, रक्षाबंधन, जन्माष्टमी, गणेश चतुर्थी, ओणम, नवरात्रि, दुर्गा पूजा, दशहरा, दिवाली और क्रिसमस पर जाके खत्म होती है। पर इंडिया में बस इतने ही फेस्टिवल नहीं है, इससे भी कई ज़्यादा 30 से भी ज़्यादा फेस्टिवल्स है देश में। इसीलिए तो इंडिया को कहा जाता है कंट्रीज ऑफ फेस्टिवल। ये तो हो गई दूसरी बातें, पर पढ़ाई में भी इंडिया को कोई भूल नहीं सकता, क्योंकि जिसके बिना हमारी गिनती 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 के आगे नहीं बढ़ती, मतलब कि शून्य की खोज। Zero is also invented in India by Aryabhatta. Even he invented place value system and the decimal system in 100 BC. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus, which is also originated in India. एक नारी सब पे भारी, ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा अगर हम शकुंतला देवी की बात करें तो। शकुंतला देवी was an Indian writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer. Devi strove to simplify mathematics for students. Her talent earned her a place in 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. पहले के समय में क्या डॉक्टर होते थे, क्या नर्स होती थी? नहीं, उस वक्त में यहाँ के संत ऋषि मुनियों ने ही बिना किसी सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट के बहुतों की जान बचाई है। ड्यूरिंग द 60th century BCE, an Indian physician named as Sushruta, widely regarded in India as the father of surgery, wrote one of the world's earliest works on medicine and surgery. The Sushruta Samhita documented the etiology of more than 1,100 diseases, the use of hundreds of medicinal plants, and the instructions for performing scores of surgical procedures, including 3 types of skin grafts and reconstruction of nose. Chess, snake and ladders was invented in India. हॉकी इज नेशनल गेम ऑफ इंडिया। और क्रिकेट को तो कैसे भूल सकते हैं, जो भले ही इंडिया की नेशनल गेम ना हो, भले ही इंडिया में बनाई गई ना हो, पर क्रिकेट के लिए कईयों के दिल धड़कते हैं। सचिन धोनी में तो जैसे इनकी जानें बसती है। Music is also an art form of India. The Indian music includes multiple varieties of classical music, folk music, Indian rock and Indian pop. India's classical music tradition, including Hindustani music, Bharatiya music, has a history spanning millennia and developed over several areas. Music in India began as an integral part of socio-religious life. And many more things can describe the greatness of India. But that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Let us know in the comment section what words you would use to describe greatness of India. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss our video. Jai Hind!